I have the Honeywell with a replacement voltage switch and recycle those beams. One of the guests ripped the old pull chain out by pulling it too hard, and it was stuck on lowest speed. And whoever pulled that chain out, and if you're watching this, please be careful about pulling the chain, and don't jump to pull the chain, especially when it has a pendant. And don't pull the chain when you're not in balance, cause you might actually rip the chain out when you fall down. It looks like the pull chain was replaced with the correct 4-speed pull chain. The 3 others have their chain pendants removed. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.